Welcome to Wings of Fire Dreams. Today we will learn some best tricks to remember Indian rivers and their tributaries. The tricks are completely in English, not in any other languages. The first river, Kaveri. Let's see its left bank tributaries. The trick is Hema and Harangi are sisters. Hema denotes Hemavati river, Harangi denotes Harangi river, R denotes Arkavati river, sisters denotes Shimsha. Kaveri right bank tributaries. Kaveri asked Lakshmana to book cab near Mayor's house. So here Kaveri is the hint to remember that this is the trick for Kaveri, and asked denotes Amaravati river, Lakshmana to denotes Lakshmana Tita, book denotes Bhavani river, cab denotes Kabini river, near denotes Noyal river, mayor denotes Moyar river. Krishna and its left tributaries. On the left side, Bhima and Tindi plan to music for Krishna. So on the left side is the trick for Krishna and its left tributaries. Bhima denotes Bhima river, Tindi denotes Dindi river, Plan denotes Pedavagu river, music denotes Musi river, and actually we have put two music, right? So two rivers starting with mu will be coming. So the second music is denoting Munneru river. Coming to Krishna right bank tributaries, Krishna's sisters Panchganga and Dudaganga went to make kofta gravy. So you can see the hint as Krishna's sisters, that denotes Krishna river tributaries, and Panchganga denotes Panchganga river, Dudaganga denotes Dudaganga river, Ven denotes Venna river, Tu denotes Tungabhadra river, Make denotes Malaprabha river, Kofta denotes Koina river, Gravy denotes Gataprabha river. Coming to Godavari and its left bank tributaries, the trick is so simple to remember. Go left, three pits. Like Go denotes the Godavari river and left denotes the left tributaries. So the real trick is three pits. It's nothing but 3P will be coming. The first P is Penganga, second one is Purna, third one is Pranita. I denotes Indravati river, T denotes Tal river, S denotes Salami river. Coming to the Godavari right bank tributaries, God prayers send kind nature to man. Here God denotes, the trick is for Godavari. Prayers denotes Pravara river, Sen denotes Sindpana river, kind denotes Kinnarasani river, nature denotes Nasadi river, to man, that is nothing but there will be two rivers starting with man. So first man is Manjira, second man is Manair. Coming to the Mahanadi and its tributaries. On television, host Sion gave sandwich in jolly manner. So this is the trick for Mahanadi completely for all the tributaries. So on denotes Ong river, Teli denotes Telen river, Host denotes Hesdio river, Sion denotes Sionath river, G denotes Gomati river, San denotes Handur river, In denotes Ib river, Jo denotes Jonk river, Manor denotes Man river. And moving on to Narmada and its tributaries, we have the trick as Hello Shika Dawan, don't burn bags having banned gold of Kolar. So this is the trick to remember. So nothing about Shikatavan. Okay. So here Hello denotes Helen river, Shika denotes Shaka river, Tavan denotes Tava river, Don denotes Dudi river, Burn denotes Burner river, Bags denote Barna, Having denotes Helen, Ban denotes Banjar, Gol denotes Goi. Of denotes Arsang. Kolar denotes Kolar River. Coming to the Tapati and its left bank tributaries, the trick is Nesu and Amma made 2 buri for Vagi and talked 2 Pani Puri gifts for Tapsi. Okay, and Nesu, the name denotes Nesu river. Amar denotes Amaravati river. They made 2 buris, right? So made denotes Mona, and 2 buris is nothing but 2 rivers are coming with the names sounding like Buri. That is nothing but Bori and Bure. So they made it for Vagi. So Vagi is nothing but it is denoting Vagur river, and stock 2 Panipuri gifts for Tapsi. So stock denotes Sitna river, 2 Panipuri, right? So 2 rivers starting with the words sounding with Pan. That is nothing but Panjara and Purna. And gifts denote Girna river. So they made it for Tapsi, right? That trick is to remember that this is for Tapsi river. Coming to Tapti right bank tributaries, the trick is Suki and Aruna got Anarkali for Tapsi. Suki denotes Suki river, Aruna denotes Arunavati river, God denotes Gomai river, Anarkali denotes Anar river, and the trick denotes that it is for Tapsi. Coming to the Luni left bank tributaries, the trick is luckily Keda Jadhav got married to Sneha and just relaxing. Here, look, luckily denotes this is the trick for Luni river. Kedar denotes Kari river. Jadhav denotes Javai river. God denotes Guhia river. Married denotes Mithri river, and to Sneha, right? So something is starting, some river is starting with 2 S. So that denotes Sukri and Sahi. And just relaxing is nothing but it denotes Jojari river, that is the only right bank tributary of Loni. Coming to the Ganga and its left bank tributaries, the trick is 4G kilometers. That is nothing but there are 4 rivers starting with G. First one is Ramganga, second one Gomati, third one Gagra, and fourth one is Gantak. K denotes Kosi river and M denotes Mahananda river. Coming to Ganga right bank tributaries, the trick is purest Yasoda. Purest denotes Punpun river, Ya denotes Yamuna, So denotes sun, and Da denotes Damodar river. Coming to the Yamuna and the left bank tributaries, the trick is Hindus think Hanuman is son of Kesari. Hindu denotes Hindon river, think denotes Thans river, Hanuman denotes Hanuman Ganga river, son of Kesari denotes Sasur Kaderi river. Yamuna and its right bank tributaries. The trick is very popular. CSK is the best. C denotes Chambal, S denotes Sin, K denotes Ken, Bes denotes Betwa. Coming to the trick of Brahmaputra and its tributaries, the trick is long and tall man be strong king. So long denotes Lohit river, tall denotes Teesta river, man denotes Manas river, B denotes Beki river, strong denotes Subansiri and Dansiri, king denotes Kameng river. Coming to the river Indus and its tributaries, the trick is in June, car runs bit slow. In denotes Indus river, June denotes Jalam river, car denotes Chenab river, runs denote Ravi river, bit denotes Bias river, slow denotes Satluj river. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, please press the like icon, share it to your friends and subscribe our channel.